Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your ultimate destination for the latest bike and e-cycle reviews. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated launches in India, the 2025 Jio electric cycle. Reliance Jio is stepping into the e-mobility market, and their electric cycle promises to be a game-changer in affordability, technology, and performance. Let's dive into its features, battery range, price, and why it might be the perfect ride for you. Design and build quality. The Jio electric cycle comes with a sleek yet sturdy design built for both city commutes and short-distance travel. It features a lightweight aluminium frame, modern aesthetics, and comfortable ergonomics. The cycle is equipped with LED headlights, a digital display, and a smart locking system, making it a blend of innovation and practicality. Battery and performance. The Jio electric cycle is powered by a high-efficiency lithium-ion battery, offering a range of 60 to 80 km on a single charge. It supports both pedal assist and full electric modes, catering to different riding needs. The 250 WBLDC motor ensures a smooth ride, with a top speed of around 25 km/h, making it ideal for daily commutes without requiring a license or registration. Smart features and connectivity. Reliance Jio has integrated smart IoT connectivity, allowing users to track their cycle, monitor battery life, and control speed settings through a dedicated mobile app. Some variants may also include GPS tracking, anti-theft alarms, and a regenerative braking system for enhanced efficiency. Charging and running cost. Charging the Jio electric cycle is easy and cost-efficient, with a full charge taking about 3 and 4 hours using a standard home socket. The estimated running cost is as low as Rs.01 per km, making it one of the most economical electric mobility solutions in India. Price and availability. Jio is expected to launch this e-cycle at an aggressive price range, starting from Rs. 5000 to Rs. 5000, depending on the model and features. It will be available through Jio stores, online platforms, and select retail outlets, making it easily accessible to the masses. Final verdict. If you're looking for an affordable, eco-friendly, and tech-driven alternative for daily commutes, the 2025 Jio electric cycle is a fantastic choice. With its smart features, decent range, and minimal running costs, it could revolutionize urban mobility in India. Out to subscribe to Bike Zone Pro. That's all for today's review. What are your thoughts on the Jio electric cycle? Would you buy one? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Zone Pro for more exciting updates on the latest two-wheelers. See you in the next video.